Good day, viewers. You're welcome to part 19 of this Python tutorial. And in this video, we're going to do more of dictionary. So, what is a dictionary? A dictionary is a collection of data which is unordered, unchangeable, and indexed. A dictionary is mostly written in curly braces. So, for this class, we're going to look at a school and we're going to look at put some list or some items in the school. We're going to just put some information about the school. Most of the time they call it list, they might call it an item, but this one I'm going to put information about the school. Let's just choose MMBS, MMBS as a school. Let's now, since we've gotten the MMBS as a school, let's now put in some information. Okay, let's have information such as, let's put equals to. Remember that a dictionary is mostly written in curly braces, so unlike a list and unlike a tumbling, this one will be written in curly braces. Let's now do the curly braces. We have open curly braces. Then let's now put, I'd like to first put on a name of a student. Let's put the name of the student, which is name. Then let's now put your, after this one, you make sure that in case you want to put the name in dictionary, after you put the name, you put your column. Then you now write the information you want to be in the name. So let's now have the information we want in the name. We want it to be Mike. Okay. Then you have your comma after the information. Mike. Then what next? What next information do we want? We want the class. The same thing goes for the same way we did for the name. We're not gonna have a class. Okay. Now we also do the column. And what we're gonna put for the class is we want it to be in basic 1. Okay. The next we're gonna look at is his age. Let's just put the comma. Then we'll look for the age, which is also gonna be age. And we're going to do the same thing we did for class and name. Let's just put our age. Let's look for let's give him a simple age, which is going to be let's look at 2. Okay, now we've gotten all the information we need. Let's just simply close our let's close our dictionary, and now we have a dictionary. So in case we just want to get what is a dictionary, we can use the information as print, and we now just mention the name of the dictionary, print. Let's look at MMBS and MMS rather. Okay, print MMS, and let's see what it's going to give us. I hope there is no error here. As you can see, name Mike, class basic 1, age Mike is just 2 years old. So, okay, this one is correct. Let's now go ahead with the class. Okay, let's go to the next information. And the next information is going to be, we want to get a value in the dictionary. We want to get a single value in the dictionary. In order to do that, let's give a variable to the MMBS. Just say, let's give x as a variable. Now we're going to do x is equals to, then let's now MMBS. Sorry, MMS. I don't know why BS gets into my mind. What's that? MMX. That's MMBS is a software company I worked in. So MMS is the name of the school. Then after that, what next we're gonna do? We're gonna now use your square bracket, because here we're gonna use to just print out an information. And what we want to print out is the person's name. Square bracket. We're gonna print out his name. Name. Let's have the name. Okay. Okay, now what else we're going to, well, let's just simply print x. Since we're getting it, the value as x, print, print. Okay, you can see the name is simply Mike. You can see that the value came out as Mike. Okay, now let's go to the next. That's how to just print out information from the dictionary. Then we want to see how to change information in a dictionary. We're going to change information in the dictionary. What we want to change is actually the age. Let's go to the next one. We're going to change the age. Let's now write MMS. Then we're going to use, just want to change the age in, let's now have the age, which is this. Age is equals to, this is how you actually change age in a dictionary. Age is equals to, let's now give it an age. Let's change the age to 4. Okay, let's say 3. Probably has his birthday. I want to increase his age by just 1. 3. Now, okay. Now we've changed the age. We can just simply print. Okay, let's print. Want to just print print m x. Let's minus the rest things we have actually done. Let's minus the x. Sorry. Like I say, well, they won't get it confused. Let's just minus. Okay, now we're there. Okay, let's continue. Print mmx. Want to change the age to 3. You can see the age is now actually 3. So you want to check the length of, let's just see if we can check the length of, in order to check the length of the dictionary, we're going to use the lim function. Let's now do print. Print. Then we have m x. Let's now put length there. I hope you remember the way of how we should change length. Then if we run that, print length. Okay, let me see if the brackets are enough. Print length. Okay. Okay, let's cover the print length. We have open brackets. Okay, let's just do it like this way. Then we have one more. Let's have one more bracket here. You have to be very careful about the brackets, otherwise they're going to simply make a mistake. Are we complete? Okay, that's it. Length of MMS. Let's see if it runs. If it doesn't give us an error. Okay, the length is 3. That's for the name, the class, and the age. Okay, since we've gotten the length of the dictionary, then let's see how we can add to a dictionary. Let's just simply add to a dictionary, and we have, let's just delete all this. How we can actually add to a dictionary. Okay, in order to add to the dictionary, let's just call the name of the school MMS. Then want to add to it, let's just put in, want to add school fees to the dictionary of let's just put school fees there, so that we want to specify how much, whether the person has paid or not. We're going to put school fees, school school fees. Okay, we have the school fees, and want to indicate that the person has paid. That's equals to paid equals to paid. Let it be in capital letter, paid, so that we'll just make sure that it's emphasized. Then let's just print. Want to add to additional here, print. Want to print out MMS now. Okay, let's now run it and see if it's actually going to add to the list. Okay, it said name MME is not defined. I think we didn't use okay MME. Please, if I hope you now know how to debug in case they give you an error message. I hope it's very simple to easily debug. So feel free to debug any error message. MMS. Now we're going to turn it to capital letter X. Okay, let's run it now one more time and see if it runs. Okay, you can see the school fees was added and it indicates paid. So that's going to bring us to the end of this class. In the next video, we're going to talk more of dictionary. We're going to emphasize more of dictionary. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you.